Hello guys, my name is Amir Hamid Zamir Ahmad Ifani. I'm from class DCS 4 and my name is 10 Smina. Today I want to share my assignment. My assignment is titled of Industrial Revolution. Okay, what is Industrial Revolution? First, technical advances also change the way humans product things. And to the step into production technology, which was completely different from the past, is also called the Industrial Revolution. And next, the new production technology fundamentally changed the working condition and lifestyle of people. And last, what were the Industrial Revolution and where do we find ourselves now? First industrial revolution began in the 18th century through the use of steam power and mechanization of production. Before product trade on simple spinning wheel, the mechanized version achieved 8 times the volume in the same time steam power was already known. The use of it for industrial purpose was the greatest breakthrough for increasing human productivity. And next, second industrial revolution began in the 19th century through the discovery of electricity and assembly line production. Henry Ford took the idea of mass product from a slaughterhouse in Chicago. The pigs hung from conveyor belt and each butcher performed only a part of the task of butchering the animal. And next, the industrial revolution began in the 70s. In the 20th century through partial automation using memory programmable control and computer. Since the introduction of this technology, we are now able to automate an entire production process without human assistance. Now, example of the robot that perform programmed sequences without human intervention. And fourth, industrial revolution is characterized by the application of information and communication technology to industry and is also known as Industry 4.0. It's both on the development of the third industrial revolution production system that already have computer technology are expanded by a network connection and have a digital twin on the internet, so to speak. Maintenance professional went to be solving problem, not wasting time trying to source the technical information that they need. In short, Industry 4.0 is a game changer across industrial setting. The digitalization of manufacturing will change the way the goods are made and distributed, and how products are serviced and refined. On the basic, it can truly lay claim to represent the beginning of the fourth industrial revolution. This is a journey to Industry 4.0. First, water and steam powered mechanism manufacturing facility, end of 18th century. And second industrial revolution, manufacturing assembly line and infrastructure of electricity, gas, water, telegraph, road is the start of 20th century. And next, third industrial revolution, electronic, telephone, PLC, NC machine, PC, CAM, CIM, spreadsheet, lean manufacturing. And now, for industrial revolution is mobile, cloud, smart, connected, smart device, cyber, physical system, smart factory, robot, mass customization, product as service. tell about pneumatic. Okay, pneumatic is how a pressure, power, and move something. Essentially, pneumatic puts compressed air to practical use by moving applications like the tools and machinery used in the engineering, manufacturing, and construction industry. Function and purpose of pneumatic is gripping the workpiece, shift the workpiece, adjust the position of a workpiece, and set the direction of a workpiece. Okay, for example of industry for pneumatic is manufacturing industry, automotive industry, machine tool manufacturer, and domestic and commercial appliance manufacturer. And next, processing industry such as chemical, petrochemical, food processing, textile, paper. And next, used in the brake system of automobile, railway coach, wagons, and printing press. And last, application of pneumatic system is readily in industrial robot. Okay, next about electro-pneumatic. The electro-pneumatic action is a control system by the means of a pressure for pipe organs, whereby a pressure controlled by an electric current and operated by the key of an organ console, open and close valve within one sheet, allowing the pipe to speak. The system also allows the console to be physically detached from the organ itself. The only connection was via an electrical cable from the console to the relay, with some early organ console utilizing a separate wine supply to operate combination piston. Okay, next about hydraulic. Hydraulic system is a form of change or transfer of power by using a conveyor medium in the form of liquid fluid to obtain a power greater than the initial power release. The fluid is changed its pressure by a hydraulic pump, which is then passed to the working cylinder component through duct, pipe, and valve. The translational motion of the piston rod from the working cylinder caused by the fluid pressure in the cylinder chamber is utilized for forward and backward motion. Function and purpose of hydraulic is hydraulic system as a pressure rectifier or force rectifier. Second, hydraulic system is a lubricant for moving part. And third, hydraulic system as coolant. And next, hydraulic system as a bearing from the occurrence of impact at the end of the step. And last, hydraulic system as a corrosion inhibitor. This is example of industry for hydraulic. First, automotive industry. One of the large use of hydraulic in the world is the automotive industry. And next, landscaping industry. Another big use of hydraulic machinery is the landscaping industry. And last, construction industry. You will generally always see some type of hydraulic equipment on a construction site.